This is the only vegetable to reach a perfect score of 100 out of 100 in a list compiled by scientists. Compared to it, spinach is only fifth on this list, with a score of 86.43. Plus, it is rich in nutrients and low in saturated fats, helping you keep cholesterol low and reduce the risk of serious illnesses like heart disease, cancer, strokes, and high blood pressure. Watercress has just been crowned the world's most nutrient-dense vegetable, and it costs barely 67 cents per head. That's right, for less than the price of a coffee, you're loading up on more vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients per calorie than almost any other green on the planet. If you've been chasing gut health, inflammation relief, and a rock-solid immune system without breaking the bank, this tiny peppery leaf deserves a permanent spot on your plate. Research from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention ranked watercress as the most nutrient-dense vegetable. The U.S. government body ranked foods out of 100, and watercress was the only one to reach that score. Next in the list were Chinese cabbage with a score of 91.99, chard 89.27, beet greens 87.08, and spinach 86.43. Watercress, a leafy green vegetable, is actually part of the same family as kale, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. A single 100-gram serving of watercress delivers over 200% of your daily vitamin K needs, along with hefty doses of vitamin A and C, plus calcium, potassium, and magnesium. It's also one of the richest plant sources of dietary nitrates, compounds shown to help regulate blood pressure, and brims with glucosinolates, antioxidants that support your body's detox pathways. All this comes wrapped in just 11 calories and a high-fiber package that keeps your digestion humming. But the real power of watercress lies in its anti-inflammatory and gut-soothing effects. Thanks to quercetin and other flavonoids, it helps calm the chronic inflammation that underlies everything from joint pain to brain fog. Its soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, promotes regularity, and even helps stabilize blood sugar. Early research hints at protective roles against certain cancers too, making watercress one of the most cost-effective, multitasking greens you can eat. Incorporating watercress is effortless. Tear it raw into salads for a peppery kick, blend it into green smoothies for an instant vitamin boost, or stir it into soups and stews at the last minute to preserve its nutrients. You can chop it into simple sandwiches or whiz it with olive oil, garlic, and nuts for an ultra-green pesto. Even a handful tossed over grilled fish or chicken transforms an everyday meal into an anti-inflammatory feast. Despite its superstar status, watercress remains remarkably affordable and widely available year-round. Many local grocers stock it for under $1.50 per head, and it stores beautifully in the fridge when wrapped in a damp towel. Kitchen staples like olive oil, lemon, and garlic turn it into gourmet-level sides without extra cost or effort. You'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. In another list of the world's healthiest foods put together by scientists, it wasn't watercress that came out on top, but another vegetable with one of the rarest vitamins. Check out this next video to discover what this vegetable is.